How to manage data saver on Snapchat app. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to manage data saver option on Snapchat easily. So first thing, all what you have to do is simple. Go to Snapchat. Now go to the top corner, click on your profile like this, and it will take you to this page. Now all what you have to do is click in the top corner on the settings option like this, and it will take you to this page. Here you will find many options, but all what you have to do is scroll down until you find data saver option. Click on data saver, and right here you can manage your data saver easily and fast. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.